Do you feel the vibes?
Okay guys, so everything is cleaned. The valve cover and also the head. You have to be very careful with the corners over here where the service manual is specifying that you're supposed to put just a dab of silicone on the corners over here, but I had problems before with that, you know, valve cover gasket leaking, so this time I decided to put very thin film of silicone around basically on the whole surface of the gasket on the both sides. And the torque specification for the bolts is 2.2 foot-pounds, and you're supposed to also retorque bolts 1 to 6 to 2.9 foot-pounds, and this is the you can see it here, the order where you're supposed to torque those bolts. So okay, let's do it. Okay guys, so the gasket on the valve cover is replaced, and the spark plugs also, those copper ones, they looked kind of okay. It looks maybe a little bit, in a matter of fact they look very good. We'll try, you know, right now with the iridium, NGK iridium, and those spark plugs, the service manual is saying torque it to 18 foot-pounds, so we're gonna leave it to dry it for a little bit. I'm not gonna start the car till tomorrow, but basically you have to put everything in the reverse order. So the timing chain cover, I'm gonna check it out, that wire that I mentioned before. There was probably some damage to those wires. Those wires goes to the I believe the oil pressure switch, oil pressure sensor, and I'm still getting a signal and everything, so I believe that there was nothing wrong with them. It's just the insulation, you know, that exterior insulation burned out a little bit. So basically it's just wrenching and putting everything together. That's gonna be probably, I'm gonna leave it for a couple hours. I don't want to disturb that fresh sealant. Some guys saying that you're supposed to leave it for at least 24 hours before you're gonna start the car. That's gonna be a plenty of time for the silicone to cure. So this is it. Hi guys, so like you see, all of the piping and the upper intake manifold is put together, but unfortunately I started replacing the front spark plugs, and it is the same story. In this one, in a matter of fact, all of those 3 O-rings around the spark plug hose, they leaking oil, so I thought I'm gonna be able to get away with just replacing the rear one, but unfortunately I need the front one too. It's a good thing that the kit comes with the front and rear. I believe those are identical in shape, so it's kind of unexpected. It's leaking less, but you know, I have the car apart, so it's gonna be a good time to take care of it right now.